Shadow 4 is our newest version of our popular award-winning Shadow line of continuous data protection software. New features include bidirectional syncing, USB encryption, a My Favorites tab, capacity alert, a streamlined workflow, and a new graphical destination display. The main screen of Shadow is also the job status screen. You can easily see the status of your jobs. Each job shows the type of job, one-way or two-way, the name of the backup job, the time of the last backup, the source, and the destination selections. Across the top of the window are buttons that allow you to create a new job, edit a job, manually start a backup, restore files, disable a job, delete a job, display a log file of a job, and encrypt a USB drive for added protection. The security button will launch our Ninja software that will create one public and one private partition on any USB drive. Ninja uses 256-bit AES encryption. Ninja allows you to select any USB drive plugged into your computer using the drop-down box. By default, Ninja will encrypt the whole drive except for 10 megabytes for a public partition, which is required to run Ninja on computers that do not have Ninja installed. If you want to increase the public space, simply click on the Options button and either type in the size you want in the public box or drag the divider bar to your desired space requirements. In the options, you can also set Ninja to format to FAT, FAT32, or NTFS to meet your individual file system needs. Next, you simply enter a password, confirm your password, add a hint about your secret password, and then click Create Ninja, and Ninja will do the rest. After a few seconds, Ninja will open up the new partition and notify you that it has created the Ninja partition successfully. To create a new job, just click on the New button and you will be prompted to select either a one-way or a two-way Shadow job. One-way is the classic backup, where you can back up your data to an external drive. With this selection, you can either back up or synchronize your data to a specific destination. The difference in backup and sync is that any files that you delete in the source will be deleted in the destination if you choose sync, whereas backup will always retain all files that were backed up, even if they were deleted in the source location. Two-way is a little different. Any changes made in the source or the destination will be made to the destination or the source respectively. This way, both the source and the destination are always in sync with each other. This feature is great for use with an external hard drive sharing between two computers. Your work computer and your home computer will always be in sync with each other via the external hard drive. I'll select two-way Shadow for my demo. The next screen allows you to select the data you want synced. The screen now has a My Favorites tab that allows you to easily select the most common data folders users want to back up or sync. Clicking on the plus sign allows you to customize the My Favorites tab. I'll select My Documents as my source. Note, two-way Shadow requires a folder whereas one-way can select down to a single file. Clicking the Filter button will allow you to filter in or out selected file types. This is for backing up your music or your pictures from anywhere on your computer. No need to find the data, just select the whole C drive and Shadow will find and back up your music and pictures for you according to the file type. Or for corporate users, you can select to exclude personal data from being backed up to the company servers. Click OK when done. Click Next to select a destination. The new destination screen allows you to see at a glance using a pie chart the capacity of your selected destination drive. If there is not enough room, the pie chart will be grayed out. I'll select my Ninja partition as my destination. The Options button allows you to select to turn off or on the error log. To retain the full path of your data files, I'll turn this one off. Note that the Delete feature is grayed out for two-way syncing. This is only an option for one-way syncing. In Shadow 4, file versioning was moved to the Options window to streamline the workflow. File versioning is great for protecting yourself from yourself. How many of us have deleted a paragraph in a Word document, clicked Save, and then wished we had not done that? The last option is new to Shadow 4. The Capacity Alert allows you to set a threshold to alert you when your destination drive is becoming full. The When screen allows you to select how often to back up or sync. By default, it is set to CDP, which stands for Continuous Data Protection. This is the best selection since it will back up or sync your data in real time. You can also choose to select a specific interval, like every 5 minutes or every hour. You can also schedule the job to run for a specific day and time, like every Friday at 5 p.m. I'll leave it on the default CDP. The last screen is the Summary screen where you can name your backup job and review your settings. I'll name my job Main Document Sync. Click Finish and you will be prompted to see if you want to start the job now. Click Yes if you do. Notice the progress bar as the backup is proceeding. You can close Shadow and it will be running silently in the taskbar. The best part of Shadow is that you can set it and forget it, and Shadow will do the rest. Let me show you how a two-way Shadow job works. As you know, I created a job to sync to my pen drive with a Ninja partition. I'll open both the source and the target folders and add a file to the source, and you will note that Shadow copies it to the destination. Now I will copy a file to the destination, and you will note that Shadow copies it to the source. Lastly, I'll delete a file from the source and Shadow will delete it from the destination. In this way, Shadow is always keeping your source and destination in perfect sync. Shadow is the most complete and easy way to back up and sync your important documents, irreplaceable photos, favorite music, and your videos.